Hi, I'm Amy. I'm a physiotherapist with Proactive Pelvic Health Center, and today I wanted to talk a little bit about the constructive rest position and what it can be used for. So the constructive rest position is something that's really helpful for anybody who has pain or tension around the pelvis. That can include anyone who experiences painful periods or has tightness around the low back, hips, or pelvis. It's also a really great option for improving the circulation to the pelvic floor and minimizing heaviness of the pelvic floor, like we might see with pelvic organ prolapse. So it's really easy to do, and it's a great option for kind of self-management at home. All you need to do is lay down on the floor and then get your calves resting up on a surface that's about knee height. So anything like a chair, couch, coffee table, ottoman works really well. And if it's not a perfect height, what you can do is stack blankets or maybe a pillow. You basically just want to have it so that your shins are kind of parallel with the floor. Once you're here, you can focus on your breathing. Any breathing technique that allows you to have a nice lengthened exhale and an inhale where you're focusing on expanding through the rib cage. And you also can incorporate some gentle pelvic rocking. So what that would look like is as you exhale, you can think about drawing your pubic bone towards your face and feeling the gentle contraction of the pelvic floor that happens when you do so. As you inhale, you can think about just dropping your tailbone back down towards the ground and feeling the pelvic floor relax as you do so. You can take breaks from the deep breathing as needed, but overall you want to think about spending like 10 to 15 minutes in this position, focusing on your breath, focusing on relaxing the pelvic floor, and that is a nice way to minimize tension and pain that you might feel around the pelvis. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. So I'll get situated laying on my back here, and then I'm just going to bring my calves up on the chair so that my shins are nice and parallel with the ground. Another thing you can do is prop a pillow under your hips. And this is really helpful for menstrual cramps or any pelvic heaviness because it just kind of creates this angle where I'm really relaxed through my pelvis in this position.